Hello, welcome to this pit stop video with me, Danny Wells. Now today I want to talk briefly about hide name. Now it's a control that we've all used, most of you have got them in your machine shops, and it's also a control which has evolved over the years. You know, there's so many different options and stuff which you can get on hide name machine. Whether or not it's 426, 530, 620, 640, whatever it is. Now it's actually the 530 I want to talk to you briefly about today. Now, at the end of this year, if you were looking to say put a 4x4 5-axis rotary table on your hide name 530 control, you need to make sure that you've got the software option switched on before the end of this year, because the support is no longer being given to the 530. And I'm not saying you need to go out and buy a 4x4 5-axis table, but you really need to look at future-proofing that machine. So, you know, whether or not you just get the additional axis unlocked, or you think, oh, I need that software option because I'm doing, you know, simultaneous machining, whatever it is, just make sure you look at future-proofing your machine. Speak to us directly. You can speak to me. You can drop a comment in the box below if you're not too sure. We can always come in and have a look at your machine and let you know what you may or may not need on your machine. But yeah, we just don't want to let people get caught short with that. But yeah, that's all from me. So have a great week, and I'll take care. I'll speak to you soon. Cheers. Bye.